Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Tamanna Agarwal and you are watching The Lil Martini. In this video I've created this look which you can carry in your office, college or any event in which you need to get ready within 15 minutes. This is my version of office look. You can definitely add or eliminate any step according to your need. So yeah, without further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. Guys, here you can see my bare face. So let's start with prepping our lips. You can use any of your favorite lip balm and massage. Then I'm gonna use this moisturizer from Natural Bath & Body. I'm gonna take very little amount since summers are here and massage it all over my face. Next I'm gonna take this primer from Color Bar, which has been my favorite from a very long time, and gonna apply on my high points of my face. Now I'm taking this Color Bar foundation in the shade beige and will dot all over my face. Now I'll just blend with my fingers since in morning we usually don't have that much of time. Also guys, it's a medium coverage foundation. You can also use your BB cream to avoid use of foundation on your daily basis. Next up, I'm using this concealer which is same as my base color. I'm gonna use this on my problem areas like dark circles around my mouth, dark spots and any other blemishes on my face. And then I'm just gonna blend this into my skin. Also, I'm not doing this step for highlighting, it's just for hiding my spots which are there on my face. You can take that extra product which is left on your finger to your eyelids as well. Now I'm taking this wet sponge from PAC and will dab all over my face to give that balanced look, as the sponge gonna absorb all the extra product from my face. You can surely take that to your neck as well. Now I'm taking this Miss Claire brow pencil and will quickly fill my brows. I'm not shaping them due to lack of time, but you can see how much difference it's gonna make once you'll fill your brows. Also, I'm gonna use that brush which comes with pencil itself, and you can brush your brows to blend so that we can't see any harsh line. Now I'm gonna use this Fit Me pressed powder to pack my makeup, and also it's gonna stay for even longer. So you can go heavy on your oily areas where rest of your face you can simply dust with a very light hand. Next, I'm using this contour palette to give bit of shaping to my face. Here I'm using this shade which is not too dark for me, and using the same brush I'll just draw a line and will blend. You can definitely opt for bronzers as well. Also, I'm using same color to dust on my eyelids to give bit of depth on my eyes. For contouring my nose, I'm gonna draw a line with my fingers, and then I'll just blend it out. I'll do the step on both sides of my nose. It will give a slimmer look to my nose. Now I'm using this blush which is peachy in color. You can choose any of your favorite blush, and with the help of your fingers just dab it on your cheeks to give that hint of color, not so much, but yeah, a tint will work. After doing it, I'm sure you'll see that how natural it look, and you're gonna love that color. Now I'm taking this black colossal kajal and gonna use it as an eyeliner. Make a very thin line, no need to be perfect in it, and just blend it with the help of your fingers to add that drama on your eyelids. Now I'm taking my lip crayon from Faces Canada in the shade Natural Cocoa. I love the shade. This is like so amazing, man. I can't stop looking at it. And guys, you guys are done. Guys, for hair, I'm gonna tie my hair. From front, I would like to have that puff, and with the rest of my hair, I would like to secure it with the help of any rubber band. So I guess that's the most easiest way we can do. So yeah, it's not that difficult. I like bit of puff on my face. You can see my hair, it's very simple, nothing happening. And with the help of this rubber band, I'm gonna secure my hair. I like my hair to be tight, so yeah, I'm gonna tuck it like slightly tighter. You can do it the way you want. From front, you can just pull your small hair so that it will give you definition to your face. So yeah, that's it. This is the whole look which I have created within 15 minutes. It looks like so much I have done, but nothing as such. So yeah, you can just try this look and let me know in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, bell button, everything, guys. Guys, your support means a lot to me. Okay, bye. Thank you.